What up guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a Supreme bag comparison. So I recently got this North Face bag and I wanted to kind of compare it to the other Supreme bags that they put out. I'll start with the smallest of the three, the Supreme shoulder bag. This one's from Summer Spring 16. This one I mainly use if I'm gonna be putting my phone, wallet, and keys in. Obviously, not much else could fit in this bag, but it's a nice kind of just low-key bag that you can put your stuff in. It has a main compartment, a little side zipper pocket, and then this mesh pocket up front. The main compartment has the little hook for where you can put your keys on it. I love this. Next up, we have the Supreme North Face bag. I really like this size bag because I've had the Supreme Waistbag for a while and it just seems so big. And I'm always in between, like, do I want to take my shoulder bag or the waist bag? And the North Face bag seems to fit perfectly in between the two. The North Face bag has one main compartment and one pocket on the front. The pocket on the front also has the little key hook. That's really nice. I know a lot of people wear it to the front, but I normally wear my waist bags to the back. It's not small enough for me to wear it to the front. It's a little bit obnoxious, especially considering the color. But I really like the medium size of this. The only thing that I don't like is the oval shape on the top. This one you could fit a thick book around 700 pages or a moleskin and a little camera, but you couldn't really put much else in this one. Now for the Supreme waist bag. This thing is a beast. I'm not even sure who would wear this on their waist because it's almost like a backpack. It has two drink holders on the side, one big main compartment, and one compartment on the front. It also has this thing. Does anybody know what this is for? I don't know what this is for, but it has it. In the main compartment, it's one big compartment and it also has two smaller pockets inside. This one can hold a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna show you kind of how much stuff you can fit in here. I got a camera, headphones, hard drive case, moleskin, and a big book. All that fits in there comfortably and I could probably still fit more stuff in here. This one I definitely always wear to the back. There's no way I could wear this one to the front. Here's kind of how it looks to the front. It's just way too big and it gets in the way. What I found that I don't like about this bag is that if I'm bending over to get something, it always wraps back around and it kind of falls on top of me. So if you need a bigger bag, but you don't want to get a backpack, I would definitely recommend this one. It's a really nice size and it has that nice square shape so you can put your book, an iPad, moleskin, whatever you need in there. Here's how the waist bag compares to a bigger backpack. So if you're looking for something that would just kind of hold your phone, wallet, and keys, I would definitely go with the shoulder bag. If you want something a little bit bigger to hold like a smaller notebook, I would go with the North Face bag. But if you want something that's gonna double almost like a backpack, I would definitely go with the Supreme waist bag. Thanks for watching guys, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up.